In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best heat press machine for beginners available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. This unit is a good option if you want a heat press that can print more than t-shirts. It may be used on a variety of materials, including leather, canvas, nylon, neoprene, cotton, performance fabrics, woven fabrics, and many more. It's a high-end heat press with a Teflon-coated aluminum heating plate. The Teflon coating resists heat, allowing the unit to endure longer. Burning is prevented by the non-stick surface. There's also an alloy guide that lets you utilize the heat press for a variety of products and clothing. The heat press is 12 by 15 inches long and has a swing-away mechanism that keeps the heating element off and prevents accidents when using the press. There is also a digital control box that may be used to set the temperature based on demand. The heat press will heat till the temperature is reached and then turn off. You can also set a timer, and when the timer expires, the heat press will sound an alert. The pressure can be adjusted using the machine's knob. This enables the press to handle materials of various thicknesses. It may be used to transfer designs to a variety of materials, including glasses, ceramics, and textiles. It comes with all of the essential equipment right out of the box, allowing you to get started right away. The PowerPress heat press is a gorgeous, easy-to-use heat press that is ready to use right out of the box. The top of the clam model lifts upwards, allowing you to place your materials within. The printing surface is about 15 x 15 in size, so it takes up very little room in the house or workplace. You won't need to buy coated sheets because the top plate is Teflon coated. This plate is also long-lasting, simple to clean, and won't harm your materials. The temperature can be a problem for newcomers when it comes to heat pressing, but this press has an LCD control board that allows you to select the exact temperature and time you want, with a temperature range of 0 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. The heating time is 10 to 15 minutes, giving you plenty of time to double-check your transfer and material before getting started. When it's ready to use, an indicator light turns on, and it also beeps to let you know when your transfer is complete. A FancierStudio 15 by 15 digital power press machine is ideal for use at home as well as in crafts. You've found a nice one if you're seeking for a basic press to produce t-shirts or print on clothes for friends and family. The FancierStudio digital power heat press is one of the best heat presses for beginners on the market today, thanks to its industrial quality and easy design. This is a press with coated sheets and a coating on the heat plate, which sets it apart from the competition. Because the silicone rubber base isn't bonded down, it's ideal for putting letters, numerals, and other images to t-shirts and other materials. This model's accurate timer and heat control feature are what make it so popular with purchasers, as they prevent sticking and scorching while in use. It's reasonably priced and simple to use, and it can be transferred to a variety of surfaces, making it a flexible product. You may even adjust the heat plate's pressure to accommodate varied thicknesses. The TUSY heat press machine is designed for customers who require a simple-to-operate heat press. It comes with everything you'll need to get started printing on a variety of materials and objects. The first step is to adjust the unit's pressure based on the item you want to print on. You might wish to experiment with different pressures for different items before printing on the real thing. Then, before transferring the print to the item, modify the time and temperature until it reaches the required temperature. When the printing is finished, it sounds an alert. The heating plate is 15 by 15 inches in diameter, which is typical for most machines. You'll have enough room to print even the largest t-shirts on such a platform. In addition, the equipment has a portable design that improves accuracy. To prevent accidents, the machine's overheat prevention feature turns it off when the temperature rises too high. This heat press can be used to make bags, t-shirts, puzzles, tiles, blankets, and a variety of other flat things. It effortlessly transfers images and characters onto a variety of materials, including cotton and flax. The VEVOR 5-in-1 heat press machine is a great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly heat press machine. The versatile machine can print on a variety of materials, but what sets it apart is that it also includes attachment heat plate-ins and an attachment press. As a result, you may use it on mugs, glasses, plates, caps, and even t-shirts. As a result, artisans who wish to go beyond t-shirts will be able to do so with this heat press equipment. This space-saving heat press machine also allows you to make as many graphics as you like, thanks to the various heating components included. As a result, it's a versatile heat press. The swing-away arm ensures your safety and reduces your risk of burns, and you may take use of the changeable pressure settings as well. You can get high-quality results, and it's tough enough to survive a lot of use. Lastly, this heat press for beginners has a very tempting price tag. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.